Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Tiffany, and today I wanted to make a craft project with you, making a pet rock and some homemade paint. Today for the homemade paint, we will use 1 cup of salt, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of water, and some food coloring to dye them. To decorate our rock, we are going to just gather some materials from outside. So for my pet rock, I've gathered a big flat rock with some small pebbles and some brown twigs. And my daughter's also going to make a pet rock, and she gathered a small round rock with 1 brown twig, some green leaves, and she's also going to use some material she found around the house, some tips of some crayons, and a cap tab from a soda pop can. Okay, so we've mixed up our flour, salt, and water, and we started off with white is the color that the mixture made, and we added in yellow food coloring, red food coloring, green food coloring, and blue food coloring. Okay, boys and girls, we also used our colors and mixed them to make some other colors. So we used red and green right here to make brown. We also used red and yellow right here to make orange. And we used blue and red to make purple in this one. And we also used red and just the plain white to make some pink. I'm going to mix them up and show you the end result. Okay, we're back. We had to make a couple adjustments and add a little bit more dye to some, but we do have some brown. It's a little hard to see in there. The purple is also a little hard to see, but we do have pink and orange. My daughter did try making these extra colors that she wanted for her pet rock, which is a mint green, a rose red, and over here she also made a teal. So we're going to get our materials for the pet rock, and we will be right back. Okay, so we have our areas all set up, lined with a piece of paper to make sure we don't get paint everywhere. Our paint is ready and our paint brushes. So we're going to go ahead and paint our rocks and let them dry, glue on our materials that we want, and we'll show you what it looks like when we're all finished. Okay, boys and girls, so we finished up painting and gluing on our stuff. We're going to give it a few more minutes to dry, and while we're waiting for it to dry, we're going to go ahead and clean up our mess. We'll be right back. Okay, we've cleaned up our mess, and now we're back to show you I made a ladybug, and my daughter made a narwhal. The ladybug, I painted my little rocks using the dark brown color that we mixed, as well as the legs, and then went and glued them on. She used her leaves back here to make a tail and the crayons for the tip, and she found another little rosebud or flower bud in the garden and used that for the horn of the narwhal. We hope that you enjoyed this activity and try making the paint and making your own pet rock at home. Can't wait to see you guys again. Bye.